Welcome! In today's video, we're going to walk you through the simple steps to block messages from unknown accounts on WhatsApp. This updated feature is perfect for enhancing your privacy and keeping unwanted messages at bay. Let's dive in. First, open your WhatsApp app. Make sure it's updated to the latest version to access this feature. Once the app is open, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 dots. Tap on them. A drop-down menu will appear. From there, select Settings. Now that you're in the Settings menu, tap on Privacy. This section is where you can control who can see your information and who can contact you. Scroll down until you find the Advanced option. Tap on it to proceed. In the Advanced settings, you'll notice a toggle labeled Block Unknown Account. This is the key feature we're looking for. Simply switch it on, and you're all set. With this option enabled, any messages from accounts not saved in your contacts will be blocked automatically, and that's it. By following these steps, you can take control of your WhatsApp experience and ensure that only people you know can message you. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit from this feature. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.